welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to dive into the depths of my pouch and explore all the wonderful art and stationery essential that I carry with me everywhere. If you are a fellow stationery lover, you are in for the treat. So let's get started. Firstly, this is my powder blue baby blue color pouch with so many strawberries. So let's get started and dive into it. It has two chains, that's it, and it fits perfectly all my stationery. So first up we have this amazing highlighter in peachy color, perfectly for making notes and sketches pop. Tweezers, because you never know when you might need a precise touch or to fix a tiny detail. A cutter for those moments when I need to trim or cut paper for my projects. Whiteout for those little mistakes that needs correcting. We all have them. Sellotape, a stationery classic, comes in handy for quick fix and attaching things together. And that's it. First chain is empty. So let's move towards the second chain. Firstly, it has so much space, it holds a lot. So this is my glue, a must have for any DIY projects or creative sticking. You can see next up we have paint markers in assorted color, the basic ones, white and black. These are great for adding a splash of colors to my artwork. Blue pens, my go-to for writing and doodling. Can't have too many of these, but yeah, these are one of my favorite, and I'll tell you the backstory at the end. There are two pens individually that have a backstory. I have two different types of blue pen. So the yellow, green and blue one are the must favorite ones of mine. These two are like a tic tac ones. As you can see. And these, which I'll pick now, the best ever. These cost me 1 rupee per pen or 2 rupee per pen, but don't judge a book by its cover. These are the bestest. Second, my absolute favorite, the Jelly Roll white pens, perfect for adding highlights and details to my drawing. It works very well. Next up, I have two different kind of pencils. Like these are the normal pencils. One is from DOMS. I think the blue one is also from DOMS. Yeah, and the black one is from Apsara. It's 4B pencil. And I have the other category of pencil is mechanical pencil for sketching and shading, a timeless essential for all time. This is from I don't know which brand, and this is from Faber-Castell. All are like 0.5. Next up we have red pens, because sometimes black or blue just won't do. This is of Uniball and it works also fluently and smooth like butter. And I have a different brand of red pen also, a Flair one, the Click one. Next, black pens for those moments when I want a bold and defined look in my artwork. These is also my all-time best ones, the Link ones. These are also like 1, 2 rupee or 5 rupee each. And then the gold paint marker for adding a touch for glamour in my creation. It's like proper paint marker. The acrylic ones. These, one of my precious pen, also having a backstory, a sentimental favorite that always brings back memories. Then a trusty ruler for straight line and precise measurements. Then a scissor, a stationery tool that's always useful. Next up, I have multiple erasers. One is like a purple Dom's one and one is moped one, like a white clear one. Yep. To fix mistakes and start fresh. A rounder for some precise circles. And next, sharpener to keep my pencil tipped up and sharpened, like a basic DOMS. Next, last but not the least, sticky notes, because who doesn't love a good reminder or a quick note? Like 5 different colors, just a basic one. And that's it. You can see it's empty. Next up, now here comes the fun part. As I was setting up for this section of the video, the backstory, the camera decided to play hide and seek and with its focus. Classic, but we are rolling with it because creativity doesn't wait for perfect lighting and focus. So here is about this one. The pen holds a special place in my heart. It's just not a writing tool. It's a memory from my school days back in the good old times. During Raksha Bandhan, a boy I tied a Rakhi to gave me this pen as a gift. It's a bit worn out now and I'm not sure even if it will work anymore. But there is something about it that keeps me holding on. Maybe it's the sentimental value, the nostalgia, or just the fact that it's a reminder of a sweet gesture. It might not be the most functional pen now, but it's undeniably pretty and I find myself drawn to it every time I open my pouch. Next up, the ultimate favorite, these 3. Now let me shine the spotlight on these blue pens. These might look an ordinary pen to you, but for me it's pure magic. It's a simple cheap pen, just 1 or 2 rupee, but it writes like an absolute dream. And without messing, how can I complete my video? And just when I thought the camera had its moment, the light decided to join the party. But hey, we are making it. It glides on paper like butter and the color is so rich and dark. It's like my secret weapon for doodle notes and everything in between. From jotting down notes in the class to sketching ideas for my videos, these blue pens have been with me throughout. But wait, there is more. It's not just any pen. It's my personal aromatherapy session. Yes, you heard it right. These blue pens actually smells like perfume. It's the cherry on top of an already fantastic writing experience. Who doesn't want a cheap pen? Plus, it makes your books smells like heaven. So that's it. It's the perfect pen for every book. I will link the pen down below if I found, because I bought it from my local store every time. And that's a wrap up. I hope you enjoyed peeking into my pouch and discovering my favorite art and stationery essential. If you have any must have item in your pouch, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more creative content, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay creative. Until next time, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next video, hopefully with better lighting. Bye bye. And obviously, I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me a lot.